Hi, my name is Dylan Ball. I graduate April 1st. I just wasn't really enjoying my old job anymore, and I had a couple friends who did welding and they really liked it, so I figured I'd give it a try. I actually wanted to be a DNR officer, but college really wasn't for me, so I figured a trade school would be better. Besides being a welder's helper, but no experience with welding. I chose the Merrill Institute because of Jason. During our interview, he showed that he was very knowledgeable and he was a good teacher, and then just with all the equipment and the opportunities they've given me. It's been a blast. I really enjoyed it. It's been really hands-on, which I really like, and the instructors make it fun. My instructors were great. They were really helpful. They didn't rush you. They made sure you understood it before you moved on, and they'd be honest with you if you needed to redo it or make it look better. The equipment was great. We got brand new Lincoln welding machines, all processed. We were the first class to use them. The Merrill Institute benefited me by lots of hands-on training. They had lots of material, so if you messed up on a weld or didn't like how it looked, you had plenty of material to redo it.